Hi there, and welcome to Getting Clean on the Prairies. Today's video is going to be all about lettuce using the Kratky method. I'm very excited to show you here that we have some romaine lettuce ready to harvest. I have a Rubbermaid tub going here with 2 romaine lettuce plants and also a couple arugula plants, these 2 little guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can harvest lettuce from these plants and create kind of a cut and go method so that the lettuces will keep growing and you can continue to get lettuce over and over from these 2 plants. Also in this video today, I'm going to plant some more romaine. I've started these 2 seedlings in rock wall a couple weeks ago. They've been under the lights. They are, I think, pretty anxious to get into some. You can see they have lots of roots on the bottom, so they are ready to go into some kind of a growing vessel. And today I'm going to plant them up in these yogurt containers. I used these last year for growing lettuce. I grew romaine, arugula, kale, and I think some butter crunch type lettuces, and they did great. I kept them going over probably 3 or 4 months, harvesting lettuces from them on and off. So these worked really good. So I will be showing you how to plant these up. So first of all, let's do some harvesting of this lettuce. Okay, so I'm just going to start pinching off some leaves here for of the romaine, and you can use scissors if you choose, but I just usually pinch it off with my hands. It's not that big a deal. So what you want to try and do is go to the bottom layer here of the lettuce plant and just start pinching off from the bottom. Beautiful. These are nice and crunchy feeling lettuce leaves, so should make a nice little salad. Great on a sandwich. As you can see here in the middle, there's always more growth happening there. So that's where you avoid picking too much around here and just stick around the outside edges so that it can keep growing from the middle. I think that's all I'm going to take off of it for today because it's still a new plant. This one has some huge leaves on it. It's hard to believe that this all happens in just a couple weeks. Get this kind of growth. I think growing in water with the hydroponic nutrients definitely is a faster method than in dirt. And it's worked good for me for the past 2 years, so I'm hoping we will have an endless amount of fresh lettuce all winter. I'm just going to go to the bottom. Maybe one more. Okay. So you can see we got a pretty good bowl full of lettuce here. The arugulas are not as quite as big yet. They're a little bit smaller, but you know, I might just pinch off one leaf anyway. I like the peppery taste of arugula, so a little bit of that in the salad will be really good. Maybe I think that's all I'll steal from there right now. So if you can see here, got a lot of good root growth going on. And I just keep an eye on the water level. I haven't added any yet since I started this. It keeps drinking and the roots keep moving down towards the water. So at some point I may add, you know, another half a jug of the hydroponic nutrient water mixture. So But yeah, we'll check back here in another week and I'll show you how the lettuce will keep growing. It'll start to get kind of a long, tall stalk because you're taking from the bottom here, but it seems to keep living and thriving, and we'll see how long this produces for us this winter. Okay, so we're going to get these 2 new romaine plants set up now using these containers here. So I think I showed you that these have lots of roots. And I'm just going to place them right into the net cup here and surround them by some clay balls. I've done this in some of my other videos. If you haven't checked them out yet, I will share the link with you there, but I show you how to do this more in depth on some of my other videos. So again, you just try to avoid hitting the stems, and this one again has 2 plants coming, and it might be best to pinch one off and just let one grow so that it's a stronger, better producing plant. So again, this guy gets donated to the compost pile. This one gets to become the big lettuce plant. Just try to loosen them up a bit. This one only has one lettuce plant coming, so that's good. I think lettuce is probably the easiest, most successful type of plant to do using the Kratky method. Doesn't take much care and maintenance to keep these alive and happy. And you can even try growing them in a sunny window if you don't have grow lights. I think these are something that would still thrive in a south-facing window. Last year I moved these from under the lights to my west-facing window, and they lived there for a couple of months quite happily. Okay, so we just need to fill up each vessel with some water. So these are the hydroponic nutrients that I've mixed up. And again, I use the Root Farms base, and part 2 is just an all-purpose, which works great for lettuces. So you just use a capful of each in a 4-liter jug, mix up a big full jug, and a couple of these will last you for quite a while. So you just want the net cup to be able to touch the bottom of the water so that the roots will start working their way towards the water, but not too deep. So I just kind of push it in there. See if it's touching the water. It's not quite reaching the water. Now I can see by the dripping that it is touching. So the roots will grow and work their way down towards the solution. Okay, so we have planted up 2 more romaine lettuce plants using the Kratky method. I'm going to put these under the grow lights, and in a few weeks we'll be producing more of this. So I hope you found this video helpful and informative, and we'll give it a try growing your own lettuce indoors using the Kratky method. I would love to hear your comments below. And don't forget to click on the goat to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more of the how-to videos of growing food indoors. Thanks for watching.